Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. This is the video series for 9th standard students who will be facing the board exam this year, which is conducted by Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board. So this is part 1 of important question video series. First question, rationalize the denominator. First question, rationalize the denominator. What is rationalization? Rationalization is the process of converting irrational number into rational form in the denominator. Here the given question is 5 by root 3 minus root 5. In the denominator, what we have is root 3 minus root 5. Now we should find out the rationalizing factor. What is rationalizing factor? It is just the opposite sign of the denominator. Root 3 minus root 5. So rationalizing factor will be root 3 plus root 5. So RF equals what? Root 3 plus root 5. In case of, for example, root 5 minus root 2. What is the RF of root 5 minus root 2? It is root 5 plus root 2. Rationalizing factor is just you need to change the sign of the denominator. Now what you need to do, you need to multiply and divide this RF, that is 5 by root 3 minus root 5. What you should do, you should multiply and divide the RF. Now denominator is of the form a plus b and a minus b. Numerators are 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Denominator it is of the form a plus b, a minus b. I can write it as a square minus b square. Now square and square root will cancel out. What we get is 5 root 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus 5. Now we get 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus 5 is minus 2. This is the final answer. See here, the denominator which is in the irrational form we have converted into what? The rational form. This is called as rationalization of denominator. What is RF? RF is the rationalizing factor. In case of binomial term, we need to change the sign to get the RF. In case of monomial, you will multiply the same term as it is. So we will solve such questions in future. Moving to second question, express 0.6 recurring in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. I'll take it as let x equals what? 0.6 is recurring. I'll take this as equation 1. Take the given term as what? X. Now how many digits are recurring? It is single digit. So multiply equation 1 by 10. That is x equals what? 0.6666. It is recurring. Now if you multiply equation 1 by 10, it becomes 10x equals 6.6 recurring. take this as equation 2. Why we should multiply by 10? Because a single digit is recurring. If 2 digits are recurring, you should multiply by 100. If 3 digits are recurring, you should multiply by 1000. Here the single digit 6 is recurring, so I am multiplying the equation 1 by 2. Now what you do? Subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. Now 10x minus x is what? 10x, that is LHS subtraction. 10x minus x is 9x. In the same way, 6.6 recurring minus 0.6 recurring, what you get? 6 recurring will cancel out, what you get is 6. And do the step here. 10x minus 10x minus x equals 6.6 recurring minus 0.6 recurring. 10x minus 6 is 9x. 6.6 recurring minus 0.6 recurring, you get 6. So therefore x equals 6 by 9. 3 2s are 3 3s are. Therefore x equals what? 2 by 3, where p equals 2, q equals what? 3. The same way you can solve other questions. I have given few questions for practice at the end of the video. Dear students, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel, and also do join my WhatsApp channel and Telegram group. Moving to third question. Find the value of the polynomial p of x equals 5x square minus 3x plus 7. First write down the given polynomial. P of x equals 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Now we need to find out the value at x equals 1. The first question is what? X equals 1. Now replace all the x by 1. Now p of 1 equals what? 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. P of 1 equals 1 square is 1. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 into 1 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 7. Now just replace x by 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 7. Now p of 1 is what? 9. In the same way you should find out at x equals 2. Second question, at x equals what? Minus 2. Now replace all the x by what? Minus 2. That is p of minus 2 equals 5 into minus 2 whole square minus 3 into minus 2 plus 7. What is the simple step I have followed here? I have just replaced the value of x by minus 2. Now minus 2 square is what? Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. 5 into 4. Now minus into minus is plus. 3 2s are 6 plus 7. Now 5 4s are 20 plus 6 plus 7 is 13. Now 20 plus 13 is 33. Now p of minus 2 is what? The value of polynomial at x equals minus 2 is 33. Fourth question, important question. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Now what is the given polynomial? Given polynomial p of x equals what? 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Now by factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor. That means given what? X minus 1 is a factor. This implies what? The value of x will be what? 1. Shift, you will get value x equals what? 1. Now by factor theorem, p of 1 will be equal to 0 because x minus 1 is a factor. X equals 1. p of 1 equals what? 0. Now replace all the x by what? 1. 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into what? 1 plus k equals to what? 0. 1 cube is 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 1 cube into 4 is 4 plus 1 square is 1. 1 3s are 3 minus 4. 4 1s are 4 plus k equals what? 0. Plus 4 minus 4 will cancel out. Now what you get is 3 plus k equals 0. Shift 3, what you get? K equals minus 3. Important question, finding the value of k. Now the fifth question, factorize 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now you can factorize this by splitting the middle term. First write down the given quadratic polynomial 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now multiply the first term and the last term. What you get is 2x square into 3 is 6x square. Now if you multiply, you should get 6x square. If you add, you should get 7. The numbers will be 6x and 1x. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6x into 1x is 6x square. Now 2x square. Split the middle term as what? 6x plus 1x plus 3. Now write 2x square as 2 into x into x. The same way 6x as 2 into 3 into x plus x plus 3. Now what is common? Group the terms. Group 2 terms and take the common factor. What is the common factor here? 2 and x. What you get here is x plus 3 is the remaining term. What is common here? 1 is common here. 1, if you take out, what you get is x plus 3. Now x plus 3 is common. What is the remaining term? It is 2x plus 1. These are the factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 3. This is the process of factorizing by splitting the middle term. Dear students, this is the part 1 of important maths question video series. I'll be posting part 2 soon. So you have few practice questions in this PDF. I'll be sharing this PDF in my Telegram group and also in my WhatsApp channel. Do join my WhatsApp channel and also Telegram group. I'll share this worksheet. Do practice these questions, and also if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.